have seen about array list collection in VB.NET. Today we are going to see about stack and queue collection in VB.NET. So first one is stack collection. Stack represents the last in first out collection of object. Here the item that is inserted last will be the item that is retrieved first. And here there are two main functions are used in stack collection. First one is push off function. So this function is used to insert an element into the stack. Next one is pop off function. This function is used to retrieve an element from the stack. So for this stack collection we are going to see one example. Here first line is the submain starting of the VB.NET program, and next so dim st as stack equal to new stack of. So this line is used to declare the stack object or stack collection object. So the st is the name of the stack object. So next we are going to insert three elements into the stack. So st dot push of A, st dot push of B, st dot push of C. So I am inserting three elements. So it will be pushed like this. So first one is A, second one is B, and third one is C. So like this it will be stored. And next we are going to display the contents of the stack. So for this I am going to use the for each loop. So here first we are going to declare an element as character, and next for each x as st. சரியா? So stackல இருந்து ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்டா எடுத்து x அப்படிங்கற ஒரு வேரியபிள்ல ஸ்டோர் பண்றேன், and next within the for each loop I am going to print that element x. சரியா? console.write of x அப்படினா x வந்து it will be printed on the screen followed by one space. So the for each loop is ended with next statement, and finally end sub statement is given. So here the output will be like this. So first வந்து என்ன element print ஆகும் அப்படினா c தான் நமக்கு print ஆகும். So c ஒரு space b and followed by a. So this will be the output of this program. So இது how to use the pop statement. So pop use பண்றது, so in the place next to next x statement I can write this console dot write line of st dot pop off. So I can give like this. So in the statement என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படினா டாப்ல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட் சரியா c ஐ print பண்ணும், print பண்ணிட்டு it will delete that element. So remove the element from the stack. சரியா? So right line console dot right line கொடுத்திருக்கனால c print ஆகும், print ஆயிட்டு இந்த last element வந்து delete ஆகும். So this is the program sample program for stack collection, and there are three more commonly used methods in stack. One is contains. So contains is used to check whether the element is present in the stack or not. And second one is peek function. So peek function, it will return the element at the top of the stack, but it will not remove that element. Pop வந்து டாப்ல இருக்கிற எலிமெண்ட்டை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிரும், பட் பீக் வந்து just display மட்டும் பண்ணும், ரிமூவ் பண்ணாது. And next one is to array of. So this method copies the stack elements into the new array. So these are about the stack. And next one is queue collection. So queue collection represents the first in first out collection of objects. So that is the element which is inserted first will be the item that is retrieved first. And here also two main functions are used. First one is enq, and this method is used to insert an element into the queue, and second one is deq, and this function is used to retrieve an element from the queue. And here also one sample program. So submit, this is the first line of the program. And next I am going to declare the q, that is dim q as q equal to new q of, and the q அப்படிங்கறத வச்சு dot use பண்ணி I am going to insert 3 elements into the queue. So first element is again A, B, C. So நமக்கு எப்படி வந்து insert ஆயிருக்கும் அப்படினா, so A first element, B second element, C will be the third element. Okay. So next I am going to print or display all the elements in the queue. So for that I am going to use one variable x, which is declared as the data type char, and again I am using for each loop, for each x in q. So q la irundhu over element ah eduthu enakku x la store pannum, and I am giving console dot write of x plus one space. So enakku vandu first store panna element first display agum. So the output will be A, B, C. So this is the output. Again here also if I want to use deq method, so now the next C kaduthu kudukalam, that is console dot write line of q dot deq of. So in the function enakku first element print pannu, so that is A will be printed and it will be also removed from the queue. So there are two other common methods used in queue. First one is to array. So this method will copies the queue elements into the new array, and second one is contains, and this checks whether an element is present in the queue or not. And one more thing, in common to both these stack and queue collection, there is one property is used. So that property is count_of. So this method will give the number of elements in stack and queue. So that's all about the stack and queue collection. Thank you.